When transforming your bathroom with beautiful bathroom panels, the first thing you need to know is how many bathroom panels you will need for the job. Now, this is critically important because it's going to save you time and money. In this video, we're going to show you the simplest and quickest way to do this, and best of all, you don't need to work anything out yourself. The first step in the process is to ensure that you have your browser open. You can use Google, you can use Bing, Internet Explorer, whatever browser you choose. When you've got your browser open, what you need to do is type into the search bar the word Cladding. This is going to bring up some search options. You want to make sure that you click the top one. Now this is going to directly take you through to the home page, and this is exactly where you need to be. Simply go to the right hand side and scroll down to the bottom of the page. When you get there, you will see a banner which says, "How much will I need?" You've got two options below. You've got calculate or installation instructions. If you want to answer how many panels you need to click calculate. When the page opens up, on the right hand side of the page, you will see a box, and the title of this box will be, "How much will I need?" Now below that, you're going to see length of walls and room height. These boxes will calculate how many panels that you will need for the job. You've simply got to measure the length and the room height that you're going to add the bathroom panels to, and then put the numbers in these boxes. We're going to stick 5 in both boxes. And look, you can instantly see that the panel calculator has come up with the amount of panels that you need for your job. Now, if you'd like to now learn how to fit panels in your bathroom, which is a really great way to save on labour costs, the first way you can do this is to watch a short video which we've created for you. Now, if you want to do that, we'll put the link above. The other option is if you prefer to read things, you can simply come back to the home page, click the logo at the top, and then this is going to take you back to the home page. Scroll all the way down to the bottom, and when you see the banner again, this time click Installation Instructions. Now this article is going to take you through a step-by-step process of how to install bathroom panels, and it's also going to give you information on what each panel trim is used for. I want to say thanks for watching this video this week, guys, and remember to subscribe for more useful DIY tips. Of course, if you enjoyed the video, it would just be awesome if you give it a like, and whatever you do today, have a great day, and we'll see you all next week.